Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I just realized that I don't really have any Desi makeup look on my channel, so I really wanted to create one. Let me show you how I created this one. Let's go. Okay, let me put on my lenses first. I'll be right back. Ta-da! I love these lenses. Look at these tiny sparkles. They're just so cute. I've already done my skincare, so I'm gonna skip that. If you don't know, you have to do your skincare before you start your makeup. Your moisturizer and sunscreen. If you use toner, then toner. It's best if you avoid any actives before makeup. So let's get started. For the base, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Infallible Skin Tint. Let me shake it because I haven't used it. By the way, I'm in the shade 3-4 Light Medium. I'm using this brush from PAC DE02. These are their new launches and I just received it today. These are so good. Look at how easily everything blends. वैसे तो स्किन टिंट है तो you can also blend it with your fingers. I'm just so excited for Desi makeup look. Look at this coverage. Gives you very sheer kind of coverage, but I like it. So glowy. Now we're gonna hide my dark circles. I'm using this color corrector from Simply Nam in the shade Peach. Not enough hype about Simply Nam. Simply Nam is like a really good brand. I love their products. The concealer I'm using Simply Nam only. 1.5N is my exact shade. First I'm gonna use this. These concealers are so good. Don't make your under eyes dry. If you have dry under eyes, they're worth checking out. Blend super easily and I've been obsessed with these lately. Now to brighten it up, I'm using a lighter shade. तो ये आपको एकदम full coverage नहीं देते हैं, but you can always build it up. I like natural coverage like this. For my blush, again Simply Nam. This is their blush tints. This is in the shade Tina Burnt Peach. I like burnt peach wale shades. This is so pigmented. I think मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा लगा लिया, but we're gonna blend it out. This burnt peach shade, it is just so pretty. It blends super easily. It doesn't really lifts your base. These blushes have satin finish, not proper matte but not proper dewy, something in between. Also gonna conceal my eyelids. Now I'm gonna set my eyes with this compact from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm not gonna powder मेरा पूरा face because then it feels dry. If you like, you can. I'm very confused for the eye look. This is the palette I use for my brows from Daily Forever 52 Naturals Back to Basics. Sorry, Backstage. This palette has all the basic shades you need. So I'm gonna use this one for my brows. You can use any shade or your brow pencil or anything that you prefer for your brows. Just fill my brows. Look at the difference. So for the eyeshadow, I'm starting with a brownish beige base and blending it all over my lids. Blend it nicely because we don't want any harsh lines. We want a smoother transition. So for that, use a fluffy brush. After the base, I'm taking a slightly darker, milky kind of peachy brown shade and applying it closer to my lash line. Then next, I'm going in with a deeper brown shade and blending it right along the lash line to create a soft, seamless transition. So please use a thinner, smaller brush so that you get the precision. For the lower lash line, I'm keeping the same peachy brown tones to tie everything together, and the same shade I'm also going to apply on my inner corners and outer corners to make everything look put together. And basically I'm just sticking to these warm peachy brown shades to keep the whole look soft and cohesive. Now I'm taking this darkest shade and with a very light hand I'm gonna apply it here. also taking the same shade right along my lash line to create a super subtle soft liner effect without making the eyes look too harsh. Look at that. Do you see the difference? This one looks bigger and doughy. Then I'm extending the same brown eyeshadow slightly from my inner corners just to give the eyes more elongated, defined look. Now I'm gonna take the same milk tea kind of shade, make yourself shadow. Do you see the difference? Take the lightest shade and fill to highlight the Acusol shade again. Lightly brush it over here to give it that warmth. I'm gonna use the same shadow to do my contour so that everything looks monotonous. Now to highlight my nose, I'm using Makeup Revolution highlighter. Use this shade. Oh god, this is so pretty. Now I do my eyeliner. This is from Luonme and this is my go-to eyeliner. I don't use other liners. This one is just so good. Although this is not waterproof, but I still love it because the applicator is so small, so you get really nice precision and control. Like, look at that, I can easily create my liner exactly how I want it, and I'm actually going for a slightly lifted look today. I've done very thick eyeliner because I was feeling like it. Now I'm gonna smooth it out using this. I don't want my liner to look too harsh because it just wouldn't go with the softness of this look. So I'm just blending and softening the edges with a dark brown eyeshadow. This is a good trick if you want to soften your liner. Now I'm using this Sugar Twinkle from Peri Para. I don't know if it is available. I think this is discontinued or they have stopped selling this in India. But this is just so pretty. I really want to use this glitter. This is so pretty. Wow. Just gonna curl my lashes. I'm gonna use this mascara. This is from Maybelline Sky High. Now we're gonna do our lips. I'm gonna wipe this lip balm off. I'm gonna put concealer first. Then I'm taking a muted burnt peach eyeshadow to line my lips. If you already have a lip liner in a similar shade, you can totally use that instead. But eyeshadow works fine too, so I used it. For lipstick, I'm using Prosh Caramel Brunch. It is such a pretty warm shade, like nudish pinkish peach. So that's what I'm gonna apply first. I want that muted lips. So I'm also gonna layer it with a Simply Nam blush tint that I used on my cheeks earlier. It's a really good blush tint. I've been really into natural looking blushes nowadays, the kind that fade beautifully and gives you naturally flush cheek look. So this is that kind of blush, but you can always build it up according to however you like it. Then finally I'm adding Simply Nam gloss in the shade Brownie. Technically it's a lip balm, but the shine is so beautiful. I love it. For highlighting, I'm using this Hints glow stick, but because I've already set my base with powder, I don't want to apply it directly onto my makeup. It might lift my base, so I'm applying it with my fingers. Gives you a really beautiful natural glow. Then of course a bindi for the Desi touch, and this is the final look. I love it. Let me know what you think.